Another really easy way to make a bow for a scrunchie is just take a piece of fabric. This one is 2.5 inches by 11.5 inches. And what I like to do is just take some pinking shears and trim off both edges. This will just help the bow not to fray later on as you wear it. Repeat on the other side. And then what I like to do is just make a point with the scissors. It's not super technical. Just kind of aim for the middle. Start at the edge about 1.5 to 2 inches down and kind of round it. And then I'll start here at the middle and just try to make it look kind of similar. And they never turn out perfect, but they're still cute. It doesn't matter if they're perfect. Okay, and so then what you do is you just tie it around the scrunchie. And then you have a cute little bow. And it's really easy to do.